What's up, people? It's Monday night, just 5:30 here, and I got my clutch in the mail. And it's a Stage 3 Grip Force clutch, and it's made out of copper. These little pucks are made out of copper, and there's 6 of them, and should be a bit more durable and have a bit more bite to it than the other ones. And I already checked it out. It looked like it was going to fit, so I'll put this and the pressure plate on tonight, and then tomorrow, after I get the transmission jack, I'll put the transmission on, I'll connect it up, and I'll be hopefully driving tomorrow. So that's what we have to look forward to, a lot of work. So that's it for tonight. I'm sure I'll talk to you tomorrow. Goodbye. Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Tyrannosaurus Rex, and for today's showcase, first I'll show you the motorcycle, then we'll look at the car a bit. This is a 1971 Honda 100cc. It's a beautiful bike. It's Frank's, but I ride it around a lot. And not only does it look nice, it actually sounds nice too. Kickstart. Pretty darn loud. Nice blue paint. Definitely a unique bike, that's for sure. Just do a quick walk around. Yep. Reminds me of my 81 Suzuki GS 450 that I took to Texas. God. So, there's the bike. There's my brother's helmet. Pretty sweet too. And here's the car. That's what I'm going to be working on today. Got to put this transmission on. Got to put some fluid in it. Got to put the flanges on the transmission. Got to put the bolts on there. Got to connect it all with the dog bone and the transmission mount. Then put the starter on there. Connect some wires. Put the linkage on there. Put the wheels on there. Put the drive shafts back on there. Connect it all together. See if it works. And drive out of here tonight. That's the plan. So, wish me luck. We'll talk to you later. Goodbye. Well, the first thing we gotta do is load up the transmission on this jack here. Look at this jack. You know you got a big job set up when you got a jack that's this big. My God. So, we'll lift the transmission on there. And then the car's gotta be sky high to fit it all in there. We can do it. I've done it before. Oh. Alright. Well, we'll take it from there. Catch you later, folks. Goodbye. Hello, everyone. It's me, Tyrannosaurus Rex, and it's 10:37. And my hands are getting a little dirty, so you know I'm doing some work. Let's take a look. I took the front bumper off. Took the filter off the cold air intake. Took this, I don't know what you call this, a fender well off there. It's not difficult to take any of that stuff off. And I got the transmission jack in there, but the transmission was, it wasn't twisted right, so I used the jack on the transmission jack to twist it just right, and now it's just a matter of putting some bolts in there and it'll get stuck on there, and we'll get this car out of here tonight for sure. So things are looking good, just checking in. We'll talk to you later. Goodbye. Alright people, it's now 5 minutes past 11 and I'll let you know where I'm at. This transmission jack, it loses pressure on it. I can just push down on it and it goes further down, so it's a little frustrating to deal with. And I took these Allen wrenches and I put them into bolt holes to bolt on the transmission, so now it's just a matter of getting it level. And since it's all lined up with the Allen wrenches, I'll just push it on there. So I'm going to give that a shot right now. We'll talk to you in a bit. Goodbye. Hi everyone, how you doing? I got the transmission on there. Got the flanges on there. So what's next is to put the oil back in there. Then put the drive shafts on there. Put the transmission mounts on there. Put the wheels back on. Starter motor. Shift linkage. Cables. Bumper. Grill. Then I'll be driving out of here. But first, it's lunchtime. So, see you later. Bye. Hello everybody. Well, you can see this bolt here. I was torquing it down with the impact wrench and I bursted 2 of them. Broke them clean, over torqued them, and it snapped right in half. So I gotta run to Napa and get some more. So I figured before I did that, I would let you see where I'm at. Still got the bumper off. Got one drive shaft on. Ready to put the wheel on after I put the what do you call that? This, whatever the hell this plastic thing is called. And see, there's my starter motor. I put that on. The slave cylinder is in there. The linkage is in there. Still needs to be put on. And once so these drive shafts are held on by just this one nut, which gets torqued down to like 200 foot-pounds of torque right there on it. Then, when I'm all finished, I've been thinking about putting stickers on for a long time, and Jesus, I got a ton of stickers. This one's of a deer. Never shot a deer before, but I'd like to. Look at this one. A Hellraiser. Yep. Tons of stickers. And then from all the performance parts I bought, they sent me stickers. Tons of them. So, I want to make sure this thing runs good before I put stickers on it. That's for sure. So I'm headed to Napa. Talk to you later. Well, people, I just put it all together. It's ready to go, and you're going to take a little trip with me. I think I'll set you on the dash here and go for a little ride. I think it's going to work all right. No one will notice. No one's gonna know a damn thing's going on. I think it's legal. Told me it wasn't. Only a couple blocks. Now this clutch is a 500-mile braking period, so I won't be riding on it today. Jesus, all this fucking traffic. Bullshit. There we go. Everything seems to be working a lot better than last time. So far, so good. Here we go, here, now we'll squeal with tires. Oh yeah! That was a good one. Was that fun or what? So that concludes today's showcase entry. I've got to run some errands. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Goodbye.